Hey, John Schuster here with Coldwell Banker. As we transition into fall, we know winter is coming. Here are 5 things that you must do today to prep your home for the seasonal change that is coming. All right, number 1, get your furnace or boiler tuned up. Call an HVAC contractor today. You want to have this done before you have to turn the heat on. Also, folks, it's time to change all your furnace filters. All right, moving on, number 2, clean out your gutters and downspouts. Gutters that are full of leaves will trap water and ice and could create costly damage. All right, moving on, number 3, winterize your exterior spigots and blow out your irrigation systems. Remember, it can snow in Minnesota in October. All right, number 4, test your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. There should be one of these next to all sleeping areas, the kitchen, and in the basement near the mechanicals. All right, number 5, mulch up your leaves and fertilize your lawn. Your lawn will thank you in the spring and your lawn will be nice and green. Did you know that our spring market is one of the best times to sell your home? See what your home could sell for instantly by going to johnschustergroup.com and entering your address here. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. johnschustergroup.com